22-year-old man arrested after cops raided his house and find imitation firearm. We'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 22-year-old security guard has been arrested after cops raided a house and found an imitation firearm. The man, Javon Brown, otherwise called Jay, a security guard of Lemon Lane Olympic Gardens, Kingston 11, has since been charged with possession of a prohibited weapon following an operation on Saturday, December 28. Reports indicate that between the hours of 1:10 p.m. and 2:20 p.m., lawmen carried out a raid at premises occupied by Brown, who was the subject of an alleged series of burglary incidents committed in the Kingston 6 area. A joint police operation led to the search of a house and premises, during which a Thai holster containing a black imitation firearm was found inside a bedroom. Brown was subsequently arrested and charged and will be placed before the corporate area gun court at a date to be announced. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.